Dear students, welcome to online class. I am Muhammad Shalam, lecturer in English, Dhamrai Government College. I have already taken 3 classes on modifier. In last class, I have discussed 2 board questions with answer. I hope that you have understood the questions and how you will have to answer in the exam hall. Today I will discuss another 3 boards question with answer. Okay, let's start. Dhaka Board 2019. The questions will be in the same way. Read the following text and use modifiers as directed in the blank spaces. The topic is about arsenic. Arsenic is a dash substance. It is dash dangerous for human health. Dash substance is found in water of the tube well. There are dash blazers in country. Most of our dash people drink tube well water. As a result, many of them are suffering from arsenic problem. This problem is dash found in North Bengal. We should take proper measures. Dash government is trying to mark the tube wells having arsenic dash red color. People should be refrain from drinking water of dash tube wells. Dash otherwise they will suffer from arsenicosis. So from the very beginning, if we analyze, if you understand the topic is about arsenic and arsenicosis, and we will have to follow the contextual meaning to complete the fill in the blanks. First of all, in fill in the gap A, arsenic is a dash substance. Pre-modify the noun. Arsenic is a dash substance. Pre-modify the noun, but it means you must use adjective. Arsenic is a poisonous substance. It is dash dangerous. Intensifier, very much so. It is very dangerous for human health. Dash substance is found. Demonstrative. Those is called demonstrative. This substance is found in the water of the tube well. There are use quantifier blazes. There are many blazes. Use possessive. There are many blazes in our country. The answer will be our. Our is possessive. Our, his, her, their. These are the possessive. So the possessive form of we is our. Most of our dash use a noun adjective. Most of our dash people. Most of our, you must use a noun. Most of our village people drink tube well water. As a result, many of them are suffering from arsenic problem. This problem is pre-modify the verb. This problem is largely found in North Bengal. We should take proper measures. Post-modify the verb with an infinitive phrase. We will have to use an infinitive. It means 2 plus verb. We should take proper measures to get right of this problem or to solve this problem. To get rid of this problem. Government is trying to mark the tube wells having arsenic. Use a participle to post modify the verb using red color. People should be refrained from drinking water of dash demonstrative. You will have to use demonstrative. People should be refrained from drinking water of these tubers, otherwise these these tubers, otherwise they will suffer from arsenicosis. I hope that you have understood the passage. Now check back the answer once again. Poisonous, very, this, many, our, blaze, largely, to get rid of this problem, using, and these. Next, Rajshahi Board 2019. The passage is about food, importance of taking food. Taking food is essential. We take food dash. We cannot survive on earth if we do not take food. In fact, dash living beings need to take food, but it is a matter of great regret that food is being adulterated. Dash adulteration is increasing dash alarmingly that we cannot stop it. F dash dishonest businessmen use dash chemicals in food and fruits to make illegal and quick money, but they do not think about dash health. Dash adulterated food, people get sick. They are often attacked with different fatal diseases. So dash food safety is a must today. So the passage is about food and food adulteration. What are the negative effects of food adulteration? So question number A, we have been asked to use an infinitive. We take food, use an infinitive phrase to post modify the verb. We will have to modify the verb take. We take food to get energy, or we take food to live. We take food to live in the world. We take food to get energy. That is most appropriate. We cannot survive on earth. We cannot survive on earth if we do not take food. In fact, many living beings need to take food, but it is a matter of great regret that use possessive to premodify. There will be demonstrative, but it is a matter of great regret that this food is being adulterated. Use a noun adjective dash adulteration, food adulteration, noun adjective to modify the noun. Adulteration is noun and food is also noun. So food adulteration is increasing. Use an intensifier, increasing so alarmingly that we cannot stop it. Use a determiner dash dishonest businessman to pre-modify the noun phrase. Dishonest businessman. Some dishonest businessmen use dash chemicals. Pre-modify the noun. Adjective. There will be adjective. Harmful chemicals in food and fruits to make illegal and quick money, but they do not think about. Use a possessive health, but they do not think about our health or people's health. Dash use present participle adulterated food. Taking or having or eating adulterated food, people get sick. They are often attacked with different fatal diseases. So use a gerund. So dash food safety is a must today. So ensuring food safety is a must today. I hope that you understood the passage. Now check back the answer once again. To get energy, many, this, food, so, some, harmful, people's, taking, eating, or having, last of all, ensuring. That's all. This is from Joshua Board 2019. Joshua Board 2019. Joshua Board 19. I am reading the passage with gaps. Air and water are the most dash elements of the environment, but we are polluting them dash. Mills and factories use dash their products. The burning of this fuel creates smoke dash. Motor vehicles also pollute the air dash. Water is polluted by dash kinds of waste and filth. We also contaminate water dash into it. Farmers use dash fertilizers and insecticides and pollute water dash. Water is dash harmful for health. So this is air, water, environment. This passage is about environment pollutions, especially air and water. So in question wrong A, the answer will be air and water are the most important element, because pre-modify the noun with an adjective. We must use, we'll have to use, we will have to use an adjective before. Air and water are the most important or significant elements. Elements is noun and there is significant or important is adjective. But we are polluting them. Post modify the verb with an adverb. But we are polluting them unwisely or heavily or unconsciously. Mills and factories use fuel. Post modify the verb with an infinitive. Mills and factories use fuel to make their products. The burning of this fuel creates smoke. Post modify the verb with an adverbial. There will be an adverbial phrase all the time. This burning of this fuel creates creates smoke all the time. Motor vehicles also pollute the air. Use appositive. The appositive of the air is the most important element, most important thing for us. Motor vehicles also pollute the air. Most essential thing for us. Water is polluted by, pre-modify the noun with a quantifier. Water is polluted by all kinds of waste and filth. All kinds of or many kinds of waste and filth. We also contaminate water. Post modify with present participle. We also contaminate water. We also post modify the verb with the present participle. Throwing waste into it. We also contaminate water throwing waste in it. Farmer use dash fertilizer. Farmer use chemical farmer use chemical fertilizers and insecticides and pollute water. Pre-modify the noun with an adjective. Chemical is an adjective and that has been answered before. Fertilizer. Dash water is use and past participle before water. Past participle here would be polluted water. Polluted water is dash. Pre-modify the adjective with an intensive, very harmful for health. There is a one answer, question on G. Post modify the verb with the present participle. The answer will be we also contaminate water throwing industrial waste into it. Throwing industrial waste in it. Check back the answer. Important, significant, unwisely, heavily, to make, all the time, most essential things for us, all. There would be a word throwing industrial waste, A is chemical, I polluted, J very. I hope that you have understood all the passages. If you have any problem to understand the passage, you must contact with me or make comments in my video. Thanks for watching the video. That's all.